after having after having been in the executive session, and we're ready to proceed. Commissioner Young, do you have a preference on how you'd like to proceed on the order of? I can get y'all to turn those off.
Mine is off.
That one's on. Do you want to turn that one off?
Is it on?
There it goes. Okay.
Just start at 7.
Yeah. The room empty.
Going 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. What order should we go in now?
We can go 7, 8, 9.
Probably with the steel.
The steel contract. Okay. Yeah, number 8, Dr. Robert Steele. Jenkins, Judge, thank you for coming up. I apologize. I should have texted you and told you.
No worries.
But I'll see you afterwards.
I'll see you anyways.
Okay, thanks.
Go ahead. We need. Let's talk
Okay.
about number 9.
Discuss and take action to accept the letter of engagement from Dr. Robert Steele as a technical consultant. Commissioner Young?
I'm going to say this. I'm going to make sure our attorney likes it. I'll make a motion that we accept the letter of engagement from Dr. Steele as a technical consultant pending a professional services agreement with the developer.
Pending and subject to.
Pending and subject to professional services agreement.
Okay. I'll read that back. Read it back one more time for Mandy, please.
Yes. You bet. I move that we accept the letter of engagement from Dr. Robert Steele as a technical consultant pending and subject to professional services agreement with the developer.
All right. That's in the form of a motion. Is there a second?
Second.
We have a second. Any discussion on that? All those in favor? Aye. That passes unanimously. And I failed to mention Commissioner Northcutt is still not here for this second part of our meeting today. She's not here in the prior one and not here now. Next is to discuss and take action to consider hiring one or more individuals to assume responsibilities of fire marshal and or building inspector on behalf of Rains County and all related issues therewith. Commissioner Young?
Well, move to currently table that.
Have a motion to table that.
Second.
Have a second. Discussion. All those in favor? Aye.
Should we have an explanation of why?
Yes.
Can we do that since
Yeah,
we're
you can talk about why.
okay? So we'll do that for you, vote.
My turn.
Your turn.
So, just after discussions with Mr. Ray, I'm gonna dig a little bit deeper. We're gonna make sure that we find the most qualified person that we can. Primarily, as it's been said before, we didn't previously have that position in our budget. We didn't budget for that position, so we can't go out and formally get and hire a fire marshal to be employed by Rains County. So our discussions at previous courts as well has been to find one to maybe fill in the interim, maybe interlocal agreement with another county to use theirs, maybe subcontract out if we need to. Those are all legal ways of doing it. And after discussions, I think we got a couple more phone calls to make sure that Rains County puts ourselves in the position that we need to make sure that our needs are met.
And what time, can I ask, what time frame were you looking at?
Hopefully before next court. That's the plan. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, all those in favor of that? Aye, that passed unanimously. Now, do we need to go back and do the fee schedule?
Probably should need to table that as well.
Cover that as well. Discuss and take action to approve the application and fee schedule associated with the building permitting and inspections.
You can just take no action, you don't have to.
Have to do anything with it? Okay. So we'll take no action on that. That concludes everything on our agenda today. And just as one last opportunity, would you like to come up and speak on any of the agenda items that we just?
Of course I do.
Well, come on up.
Stop and just have a leave. That's what it said.
We haven't had lunch yet, so if we snap at you.
I haven't had breakfast or lunch. I have a meeting in my house at 5 o'clock.
Uh-oh.
I think everybody can hear, right?
Yeah.
Probably, there's not
Yeah.
enough of you. Okay, so why can't you vote on the permits? Why can't that be implemented?
Which one?
Number 7.
Cart before the horse. If we don't have someone to enforce the codes, we can't adopt. Or if we don't have someone to follow through with the permitting process, we can't adopt it.
Okay.
So expect to see that hopefully again in 2 weeks.
And Mr. Ray explained that earlier. Like without the fees, we can't have the.
I know, but I want it for the final decision.
Oh yes, okay, very good.
And explain to me why on number 8 from Dr. Steele, why does it have to be subject to the
So that
service agreement?
we don't take it out of your dollars. Find a way to pay for it. That's not tax dollars. Does that make sense?
So you're going to ask the best company their opinion of Dr. Steele? Is that what my understanding?
Not asking their opinion. We're going to try to find a way to have them help pay for it. Let's go.
Yeah,
You have a better idea?
We might come up with one this evening.
Fair enough. Call me.
I will.
Yeah, I think the goal is to.
Because why are they going to want Mr. Steele? If he's tough, they're not going to want him.
Well, it's not. We're not asking if they want him. What we're thinking is it's always fun to use other people's money.
Mm-hmm.
And so if we can go without having to modify our budget, go through this complicated process that you heard about earlier, by finding someone that's willing to pay for it, that would be better than not, as opposed to us having to go in and pull money out of our contingency funds.
Which is tax dollars.
And we have time to do that and still achieve everything that we're wanting to do, because we need to have a fire marshal to help effectuate some of this stuff anyway. So. And we have plans for all that, but
Okay.
so think of it like a contribution agreement, like if we were doing roads or something, and a landowner wanted to pay to have their road paid, it's that kind of thing.
I'll bring it up. Can I ask Mr. Ray some questions? Is it too late to ask questions?
You can ask me questions, but I can't give you attorney-client advice.
I don't want to turn any public advice. I want you to research it and come back next week.
Okay. Well, you can give that to me then, and I'll look at it.
Okay, hold on. I have it here. Can I get ready for your card? And then you can. I do have your copy. Never was a public person till now. Okay. You keep saying the county can't do anything. Well, how come our residents don't count as citizens? And you can't put a best near a church, school, residence, and a fourth one. So again, why can't we need to address that? Why are we not considered residents over there? And how come that doesn't count as a legal loophole or whatever you want to call it, just to put curtail it or put more stuff into that place? The Lone Star Infrastructure Act. Why can't we use that as a way to put a halt or stall or whatever this? Because we know there's cattle parts in the battery storage. Why don't we get a list of all the parts beforehand instead of waiting until they're here, already developing it and have money invested? We need to get a list of the parts that are going to be in there now so it can be researched. Another loophole. And okay, Kendall County stopped it cold. I don't know how they did it. Van Zant did it based on the moratorium, but based on the Lone Star Infrastructure Act and Ken Paxton's letter, or his directive from Abbott about cattle parts. And Franklin County did it. Why can't you research it and find out why? Okay, that's it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
During court, I looked up Franklin County, and it looks like it didn't get overturned.
I've talked to them. I talked to the lawyer, and I've talked to the people that started it. They're the ones that told me they did it. They stopped the mess.
Yeah, well, please don't take any action that we've done today.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I shouldn't be so
Stop it.
sarcastic.
Yeah, all right.
I'm sorry. I
Yeah.
apologize.
No, that's okay. Hey, I understand, we talked and I understand your position.
Well, when I present something, I actually have the evidence. So it's not a hearsay. It's not. I actually have the evidence.
Well, that's what I like about you. Anything else? Motion to adjourn? I must make a motion to adjourn.
Second.
Lots of seconds. All those in favor, aye. That passes unanimously.
Sign this.